Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to pay estimated taxes through Bluevine. Bluevine makes it possible to manage and pay your estimated quarterly taxes directly, keeping your business finances organized. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine account on desktop or mobile. Then confirm that you've set aside funds for taxes in a dedicated sub-account or your main balance. Now visit the IRS website or just your state tax agency's online payment portal. Now, when prompted for payment details, choose bank accounts, that's ACH, as the payment method. Enter your Bluevine routing and account numbers, which you can find in your account dashboard under account information. Specify the tax type. For instance, it could be 1040 ES for estimated taxes. And of course, you need to specify the payment method. Once that's done, review and confirm the payments. The amount will be debited directly from your Bluevine account. This process ensures that your estimated tax payments are timely, traceable, and seamlessly handled through Bluevine. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.